Here we go with live. Connection is good. Connection is good, and we're live once again on a Thursday. This Thursday, let's get deep into it, or dive into it, however you want to say it. Let's look at the bigger time. Well, let's go into what's happening in the markets. Well, as far as the calendar, let's start off with the calendar. You know, we got to get into the calendar first. So what we got going on this week? Calendar. Dig into the calendar. We have, today is Thursday. What we have today, we got 10 o'clock. That's euro. U.S. existing home sales. FOMC member bar speaks, and natural gas storage. If you like trading the news, natural gas, when it comes out, may make some. So if you like trading the news, then you might want to look at natural gas. May have some nice moves. And that's it for the day. Nothing heavy. Nothing that may, push the market in one way or the other. Just follow the trend and see if we can map out some levels to trade against. And that's it for that news. So let's go to a bigger time frame. We're gonna start off like we do with the weekly. So if we look at the weekly, I got that blue line there, and it'll show you where it's at on another charts. But on the weekly chart, what's going on here? Okay, boom. On the weekly chart, if you can see, we're still in an uptrend. Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Even though we're making big moves on the smaller time frames to the downside, and we made this big dump here, it still made a higher high, higher high. I mean, that higher low, higher low, higher low, and a higher low. So we may consolidate up here and go higher or roll over, but as of now, we're still in a uptrend, and we can still roll over. But we got some support. This close is at 67.02. We came down, and we look down here in my data box. You can see when I hover over one of the bars. So we came down as low as 66.90.75. Now, if you go over to a few weeks ago, about 3 or 4 weeks ago, we came down as low as 66.80, and we closed here at 66.96, and we opened here at 66.97. So this came down as low as 90. So this took out some liquidity that was below, not below, didn't hit this low, but this open was 97. So if there was some liquidity or some orders sitting there below that, this week grabbed it. This close is 96. So if there was some liquidity under these two previous weeks, this week grabbed it. And we have so this 90, this 96, this 60, so this 6,700 could be a support level, very big round level. We know that. And this close was at 67.02. So if there was some liquidity here also, this might have grabbed it, but this might have grabbed all this liquidity. Once we got back above here, there might have been some liquidity back placed there, and they came down to get it. But let's see how this plays out. We're just going to try to follow the market on the lower time frames, but also be aware of the support resistance levels on the higher time frames. And the open for this week is 67.21. All right, so Let's go down to a lower time, and I wanted this move it's moving off of the VWAP, and I wanted to catch that move earlier, but I'm doing this to show you, so I missed the trade that I was looking for. Hopefully I can find more trades. Well, there's going to be some moves, but that was a trade off of VWAP I wanted to take at a break of 32. Didn't get it. So let's keep going. And 240. No, daily. Let's drop down to the daily chart. And as we can see on the daily chart, we just pulled back and tested the close of this bar of the previous day at 37. So this just pulled back and bounced off 37. I wanted to get back in when it broke this 32 and back into this gray area here. But that just happened and I didn't get it, and I'll show you later once I finish this. But we have support. We have this 15. We have this 01. If it breaks 20, you know, 20 is that psychological level. We break 20, we can have a move back down into the 15 and 6,794. So those are some of the levels I'm looking at. 6705 has been holding. 6705, 6707 has been holding. So those are some levels that we'll be looking at and paying attention to. Let's go down to the 15 minute. 4 hour, 240. Let's go down to the 240. The 240. Matter of fact, I'm gonna bring up the 240 this should be on this chart. I gotta spread it out. Let me get some more data on here. Let's add some more data on here. Data series. We only have that's bar width. Come on, where is it? All right, days to load 5. I'm gonna load 20 days to get some more data on here. Okay. So this is what I was looking at. And if you see, yesterday, this trend line, I drew this trend line yesterday. This trend line was here, and we came and tested this trend line and also bounced off it again and came up to and bounced off it again. So we have which also support down here in this box. So we came above this trend line, came down and tested it again, and this where we look like we may be turning over or just maybe consolidating somewhere in here, but we'll see how we react inside this box. So this box is here, got where some support and resistance at this 32. And we'll see on the lower time frame where we in and out, in and over and under this 32 area right here. So let's see what it looks like on the smaller time frame. So right now we may come over, keep coming down, testing, stay in this area, consolidate like we have here, and then break out. But we may hold this level with 20, 21, this 20 level here, and just if we hold this 20 level here, we may over 32, we can see higher highs. That's what I'm looking at, between 20 and 30, but I want to see over 32 to go higher, and under 20 to go lower. But it's going to be some choppiness still. But right here is that line in the sand right there, and basically that's the 20. That's the 20 level. So we've been testing 20, tested 20, break out the 20, come back under, hit the 20. But this broke the 20, this broke the 20, this broke the 20 with little resistance. So the 20 may not be as strong as it may seem, but we'll see. But that 20 is when I'm keeping an eye of 32.50. I'm keeping an eye on that, and we may come back in this area here, and we may come back in this area here and just hang around in this area here, or we may drop back down to here and hang around in this area here under 20 somewhere. But we'll see what happens, and we'll try to take some trades that work. Let's try to follow the market and follow which way it's going. Let's drop down to the 15-minute chart. On the 15-minute chart, you'll see that line there. We bounced off. We tried to hold it here again. We went straight through it here, but right here we had a little pause. Came back down, had a little pause, 20 down. Had a little pop, maybe before the 20, tried to hold, broke. Came back up over and over 20. So this 20 is a level of some support and resistance. If it break, I'm looking for S1 at 67.01, which could have some choppiness at 05 and 07. 15.05 and 07. Definitely. Look how we was bouncing off here. Come up, bounce, bounce. And we bounced on the way down. So it's going to be some choppiness here. If we even go back, we can see 20. Came back up into the 20 here. Came back down into the 20. 20 broke. So we know 6, 7, 20 psychological levels. So let's watch these levels and see what we look like. But I want to see all over 32. I like a bounce off of 20. I like a bounce off of 20 if it holds and doesn't break, or may break. If it breaks, I don't know if I want to take a bounce off of 20 if it breaks. We'll see what happens and how the market reacts to it. All right, so this is my 240 chart. I'm gonna bring it back down here. Give me 1 second. Let me fill this back out. So here's my 240 chart. I'll watch here. Earlier, I was tempted to take a 21 right here. The 21, where was it? The 21 here on a bounce off this kind of double bottom. It came, made a higher low, made a lower low here, but it didn't get this low, and I was anticipating, you know, a move up before the market opened. And then I wanted to take this short off of VWAP, but I just started to go live, and the break below 32 is what I really wanted. The break below this 32 level, 32.50, that's been holding back here, 32, and this is a daily open on a previous time, on a larger time frame. So you see how it came down here. So I was looking at that 32 to break and see if I can get a short pre-market, but I didn't get it. That's okay. More trades will come. Now we're over 32 over this, and you'll see it's right around the previous days. This yellow line is the current open of the daily chart, which is down at the bottom. As you can see, we're right here, the daily open at the bottom. Did we do the daily? I think I got to the daily, but the daily right now we're flat. We closed at 37. So we did run up to 37 and roll over. But we'll see where the market wants to go. Right now we're down just 3.5 points for the day, but we're kind of flat. So we'll see where this day goes, but this is how the market looks for the daily. Not much here. So if we get over 50, we may, if we get over and stay over 40, we could be looking for the 50. If we get over VWAP, we got 42. We get over VWAP and get up to the 50 level. Get over VWAP and over the pivot point of 40. We got resistance up here at 42 to 45. But let's see if it wants to make any moves. It looked like we came down, made a higher high, made a higher low. So we're in a minor uptrend right now. We have VWAP here. Maybe we double top VWAP and roll over, or we break through and roll over. If we hit 40 and roll over, we can probably come back to test this area. Got 50. So between 30 and 50, or 20, if you want to go 20 and 50, that's 30 points. I just got to get a few at the right levels. Well, 20 down here. So between 20, if we get 20 to 50, the high, overnight high, is 51. So we might come back up to test the overnight highs and then roll over, or we may come down to test the lower 17. But we're right in the middle. We're neutral. So right now we're neutral, and we have to see which way the market wants to go. As of right now, pre-market, before the market opens, it looks like we're trying to get a pre-market rally. But we'll see which way it's going to go. I'm not going to take a trade here. So I'm really eyeing these round numbers. VWAP 37, double top of VWAP, and 36 and a quarter. We haven't touched the pivot of 39 or 40. We haven't touched the pivot at 39.40. This close on the 4-hour bar is 37.50. And to show you on another chart, this is my 15-minute chart, and we had a trend line, a downtrend from here to here. If you see the downtrend, let me squeeze it in a little bit. If you see the downtrend starting here, touching here, and the downtrend from here, and this is where it touched. It broke out this trend, came back in, and retested this. Well, this was formed. It didn't retest it, but it tested the line from here and formed a new trend line. And then it broke off of here, came down. Now we come on to test back at this trend line of 40, around the 40 area. So I'm keeping that in mind also. We have this downtrend here, and we tested this downtrend here from this line here. So we'll keep that in mind. Breakout, we have to get above. This is we have to get above 50 to really try to get up to 60 or R1. So we're back. We just inside. We'll be inside previous day's value area, and this is point of control. Yesterday was 36.50. So we're back at this level, and we'll see what the market does when it opens. Just wanted to show you that downtrend. Now we're making the uptrend. Here. See which way it wants to go. Look, I ain't at 50. It may be rough. I'm gonna move this over and take some stuff off of here so it don't look so confusing. The market opens up in 3 minutes, 2-3 minutes. If we go high, I want to see a rotation down, cycle down, rotation down, and rotation back up. I gotta put my 4-hour bar on, always on top. Okay. It's testing the 39, the pivot at 39. This 4-hour bar open is 39.50. And this bar high is 42. $39.40, a good short for resistance. When we trying to move up pre-market. I've been getting stopped out to shorten it too early. Shorting too early. This open is 39.50. May try to push it if it get above 200 moving average SMA. We may get a pop up. And if we get to 50 too early, I'm not taking this first run up. But we may get to 50 before before the market opens. Oh, the market just opened too. So let's see, we over the high is 51. If we're gonna get to 51, I can't say we're gonna have a pullback in the first 15-minute bar, but we did hit the top of the trend line. Okay, testing VWAP. If we stay over VWAP and go 40, and I'm gonna go long if we get back over. But if we get back over 40, matter of fact, I'm gonna put in an order now.
Order submitted.
If we get back over 40, not saying we will. Look like we're going to the downside. We're holding VWAP.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm filled. Is it a fake out to get 40 and sell off to 40? Or is it a push higher to 50? No, it's gonna shake around here, not ready to go yet. If it does, 42, 45, I said it was gonna be some resistance there. I'm gonna move to 40, 45 is gonna be some resistance, but I might just have to get out early on here because that 40, see, we got some resistance at 45, 42 to 45, we got some resistance. But shake a little bit. Shake a little bit. May go now, but we got some resistance at this 42, 43, which shows over here, right here. Thought we may get a push above it, but nope. So now we may have to wait. It's gonna maybe consolidate and then break over 42. It's holding VWAP. VWAP is holding.
Order filled.
I want to try it. It's holding VWAP. Just trying to get the right timing. And maybe I don't try to get the whole
target filled.
The whole 45. Maybe I just take what I can. Looking for 50, but I don't want to play around in here. I don't want to play around in here. Now, will this 41, 42 hold its support? I don't want to play around this chart. Look, spike up here, wick down here, wick up there, wick down here. I don't want to be in this I didn't want to be in there, but the pivot, we over the pivot. The next stop is 50. If we want to get 50, we got orders up here at 60. That's 60, 44, 45. Sitting up here. Then we got orders sitting down here at 33, 30. $42. Nope. See this
Order
big order over
canceled.
here? I think it's gonna break out of it. It moved out the way. But this 50 is gonna be, it's gonna be tough. It may get there, but my stops are tight, so with it going back and forth, it may stop me out before it get there. But here we go. We got high at 51. We got the 51. 50 to 51. 48. So that 47. That 47 to 50 is going to be a little tough. Might stand here for a second in this area. So let's see. Let's wait till it get there. See how it wants to react. Got 47. Oh, now we up 9 points. 67.50. He's testing the value area overnight. Don't want to short 47. I want to see it touch the 50. Got to test the 50. Got to test the 50. I want to see it test 50. If it don't touch 50, I'm not going short. Overnight high is 51.75. So all right, order stepped out of the way to 50. His forward bar is strong, and it's strong on the day. So I would short the first test of overnight. Look like it's not reaching it yet. I would like to see it go up hard and then short. Do it, you know, like an extended move to 50. But if it go up slow like this, it'll have a higher probability of getting through. But we tested 50. Let me see. High is 50. We touch 50. Can pull back. Look like it still wants to try to get past. Minor pullback. Look like it still wants to try to get above these levels here. 50.25. And this is 51.75. So we got 3 minutes before the next 15-minute bar open up, and that could open and break above that 51 level. If this 15-minute bar that's happening now pushes up to set up for the next 15-minute bar to open up and do a 1-2 punch, I call it. Open up at the high and then just continue to go. Yeah, could happen. We got about 3 minutes. If it opens up and holds above 50, possible. If not, let's see where the market goes after that. See if the market just comes up here and then turns around. Haven't reached the previous days, the overnight high. Haven't touched or reached the overnight high. Trying to hold 45 or what? Haven't reached the overnight high. We got order of 1500 up here. Sitting over here, we got orders of 1500 to sell. Hanging on 47.45. Hanging on 47.45 like a thread. Look at this. Orders here. Volume here, volume here, volume here, volume here. Just that 46, 47, 48. Then we fall back. We fall back into 41 and 40 area. If we go up, well, we didn't have any orders over top of it yet. So there we go. It looks like it's trying to make that move. See if it holds 50. I don't want to short 51 with the consolidation and the pop like that. I don't want to hold 50. I don't want to short 51. It's possible, but I don't want to short 51 right here. 51.75, 52. Let's see if these are real orders or is it just a flash? Is it a flash or is it real orders?
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
take a short and see. Ah, that 15-minute I said was
Stop
gonna.
filled.
I'm going against my trades. The 15-minute bar just opened up, and that's what I was looking for.
Order filled.
Come on, I wanted to stay above. There we go. Come on. Come on. Get the pop. Get
Stop filled.
how my stop was filled. Messed up my whole looking at the 15-minute bar, the pop and go. Forgot about the 15-minute bar opening up, and I make a short trade. Why? Why? When I just planned it out, I said 15-minute bar open up, and we get a pop and go. That's where I wanted to be. That's where I wanted to be. And it happened. And that fast, I forgot the plan. Why? How? Makes no sense, right? That fast, I forgot the plan. And I go short. And I just mapped out the 1-2 punch. I just mapped it out.
Order filled.
Let me take this short at 53. See if we get back in. See if we come back in below. This 50 may try to hold. This 50 may try to hold. They may try to hold it over 50. If we hold over 50,
Stop
yeah.
filled.
All right, so looks like we bullish today. Looks like we bullish today. So we may have some pullback somewhere. Next stop 76. Next stop 76. Well, 64. I'm going to see a cycle. This looks like it may come down, but don't have to. It's moving up slow, or is it going to go high? What we got here? We're only looking at 64. If we break 60, We're coming back into the 64, 68 level. There we go, 64.
Order filled.
Let's see. 64, we back in. See if we can get a push back down out of there. I don't think we come back to 60. Come on. Still trying to hold up. It's still running up. It's not breaking yet. It's not breaking yet. It's not breaking yet. We're gonna run up to that 68. Maybe. If we run up to 68, then I'm gonna wait for the break of 68. I'm gonna wait to break of 68. But that 64 is in that 64.
Stop filled.
There we go. So now we breaking out of
Order
64.
filled.
Come on, now we breaking out of 64 back down. Come on. Now we I don't know if we break into keep running back up to keep running back up. So I'm gonna wait. If we don't break this 64, if we don't hold this below this 64 level, that's a weekly level. Okay, move to break even. I want to see it break down. Come on. We may break 60. We may break 60. And then this may be the pop back up. This may be because we still bullish. So we still bullish. I don't think we may break 60. Okay, I want to bring my, we still bullish. Let me try to get, we're not breaking that 50, that 59. We're not breaking 60.
Stop filled.
All right, I'm going to slow down if we get a break over 68. If we break over 68, then I'm looking to get up into the 76 area. 68, 70, but we're still moving up strong. And I should have been long, and I keep getting short. $10 bar opens up at 10 o'clock. 4-hour bar opens up at 2 minutes. See what that bar wants to do. We pull back. Too early for much. Well, not too early, just tight stops. Tight stops. Let's see how this plays out. Let's see how this looks. Come back to test 50. Or hold up over 55. Still bullish. I don't know if we can get past 64, 68. That's the question. Talking about 70, 71. Can we get past 64? That's the question. Hold up.
Order canceled.
Hold up. Let's see. That's the first bar. 4-hour bar. It may come back and test 58.25 first. I don't want to be caught in this. Okay. I don't want to be caught in this right here. Not sure direction yet. It's open. It opened at 58.25. When as high as 62. Don't want to be faked out. We go over and under this 58.25. They're looking to fake some people out, fake some traders out. That's going to go long. Just shaking around here right now. Don't want to get faked out. Don't want to get faked out. Let's see if this
Order filled.
if this the way to go. Let's see if this the way to go. Have to get past the 64. Slamming back down. I don't like that. Slamming back down. Come on. Slamming back. Nope. Slamming back down.
Stop filled.
Shaking us out. I'm going to sit on the sidelines right now because we just shaking here. Whipping. I'm just whipping here. The low here is 54.75.
Order filled.
Let's see if I can get the low. And
Stop filled.
and I'm still, what am I doing playing in this whip? Stay out the whip, stay out the whip, stay out the whip. Got a minor downtrend, but got a minor downtrend. Coming back into the value area. Hey, let's see if it holds above 50, consolidates, and try to get a move to the upside. Or maybe not. We got daily came up into here. Sold off. Where we go next? Let's see what forms. We're back into this little area here. 45 to 50. See if we can hold over 50. We got a bounce off of VWAP. Let's see if that holds. Well, we didn't touch VWAP right above VWAP. Let's see if that holds. Another 15-minute bar. It's about to open. Question is this a pullback to continue the uptrend, or is just gonna break? It gotta break VWAP though. I'm not taking a break of the 50. We have a little double bottom here. Over and under 50, chopping around, over and under 50. Let's see if it moves away, which way it moves from 50. Let's see which way it moves from 50. And it dumped a little bit. Let's see if it pulls back. Okay. 44.25. Missed it. But it's pulling back hard. It'll go down, pull back hard. Trying to get back over VWAP. Are we trying to get back over VWAP? Now let's see how we react over VWAP. Around VWAP. Over or under. We got to close over VWAP and have some type of consolidation or something. This thing is just going to whip us out. 37. This previous day is open. Look like it's still trying to run down lower. Go lower pop. Go lower pop. We have between 45 and 38. I might not get it. No, not gonna get that.
Order canceled.
I don't want to pull back on that. Got some resistance here at this 52, 53 area. Okay, let me see. Get nope. Try to get to 53 to 54. We go back up to 54.
Order filled.
Let's see. Get to 54 up to 64. Gonna reach for it. Back up to 64. Come on, don't come back. Pop and go. 1-2 punch. 1-2 punch. There we go. 1-2 punch. Back up to the highs. Get back up to those highs. Get back up to those highs. Not gonna add to it. Just see if we can get, come on. 1-2 punch. See if we can get the 1-2 punch. Slowing down here. Slowing down here. Come on. Slowing down. Get the 1-2. 1-2. 1-2. Go. 1-2. This one go.
Stop filled.
Nope. Just between 51, 53. Trying to hold over 50. Let's see if it holds. Trying to hold over 50. I don't like this trying to move up and we coming out of oversold levels. We're holding up, but I don't want to see this. I don't want to see the stochastics weak while we trying to move up. If the stochastic was coming out of off the bottom somewhere, I would like it. I like it because it's a break above this level and it's holding 50. But we gotta get some cohesion. Hit the highway and take it to a town near you. Now if we stay up here and start to break back into overbought levels, that'd be bullish. That would definitely be bullish. But as of now, we just squatting like Khalif and his little brother Bilal around this area. We've been holding up though. Let's see how long we can hold up. If it's gonna make a move higher or not, but some of the big moves have been made. We bounced off of 64. Are we just gonna stay below this 48? Or which way do we go? We tested 52, bounced back off it. We tested 52.75 and was rejected. So 50 to 50. I like this round bottom. We made solid, but we don't have any space. I want to see it spread out like here. Give it some room, some space. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for it and see what happens. If this is nope, not it. See, not following my rules. This is not turning up yet. Let's see. This is not turning up yet, but I like the round bottom. We got to get past the high of 53.75. See, and there we go. Let's go. Let's go. We got to get past the 53.75. Just not doing it. Not now, anyway. I want to get back up to 64. But if we could get past this, we got to get past 63.75. If we're going to stay above 50. If we're going to stay above 50. I may have to just take some profit, short profit as I go along, because we're not getting those pushes.
Order canceled.
It's not getting, it's not high. Not getting past here. Not yet. It's not getting past here. There we go. There we go. And there go the pop. Just can't hold on. Can't hold on. Not able to hold on. It's gone. It's gone out of here. I don't want to chase it up here at 57. Not gonna chase it up here at 57. This turned up. It was good. Just didn't hold on to it. This open on the 4-hour bar is 58 and a quarter. So which way we going? Up or down? Over 58 and a quarter. Testing 60. 59.60. What we come up to? 59.50. My target was the 64. 63, 64 back to today's high. Do we get some momentum over here with 60? Watching this 4-hour bar in the previous close, 58 and it's 58.75. The high is on 62. Previous bar 66. Another 15-minute bar. 15-minute bar opening at the top of the value area. Breaking back in. We got 2 minutes before the 15-minute bar opens up. Let's see if we still follow the uptrend. Or we let's see if we can have something like this. One minute, 2 minutes. One minute before next 15-minute bar opens up. Let's see. Where it wants to go. $30 seconds. Are we gonna get back over 58? Are we gonna get back over 58? We can get back over 58, or we break 50. We get back over 58, or we break 50. We're still inside value area. Who they dumping on? Is they dumping? Is they dumping to go higher? Who they shaking out? Who they shaking out? They shaking out the shorts. They shaking out the shorts. Got some consolidation in here. It's 58.75. They shaking out the shorts or what? They're gonna squeeze the shorts.
Order filled.
Is they squeezing out the shorts or what? Or is this the fake out? What am I, 59? Is the fake out or is they squeezing out the shorts? Is it a fake squeeze or is this the squeeze? It's just the fake squeeze or what? Yeah, we gotta get over 60. We got resistance at 60. We gotta get over 60 before we see anything. That 58.75 is not holding. We gotta get over 60 before we see anything. And yeah. We gotta see over 60, and this 60 is gotta stay over 60. Let's go. Gotta stay over 60 if we want to get anywhere. And if we can't get over 60 now, if we can't get over 60 now, it may come back. If we can't get over 60 now, and I don't know when we will, and that high is only 62. Trying to give it some time, but don't look like it's happening now. Maybe, come on. 1-2, can this be? I'm not getting the 1-2 at all. It's always hitting the resistance and then breaking down. If we don't break this 60 on this 15-minute, on this, well, that's a 3-minute bar. If we don't get it on here, then we're not going to get it. If we don't get it on this bar, it's not going to happen. If we don't get it on this bar, it's going to pull back and it's not going to happen, but it's not breaking the 60. I'm going to go break even now. Because I wanted to pop, it got to break. It got to go. This one got to go. If it don't, then we not. Okay. It got to go. We got a trend line here that we gotta. I'm gonna try to get the high. The high today is what? 66. We up how many points? 3 points so far. We still with 60. Try to get the high of 66. We only at 61. We only at 61. We only at 61. We got some resistance here. Yep, we got some resistance at 61. We can get, yep, we got resistance at 61. Not yet. Let me see, where's S? We don't have no S, no support levels up here at all.
Stop filled.
I mean, we have no, like R1 is way at 76. It's too far. When it's high as 62. Wick down, go up, shake out bar. We might have to go some sideways a little bit. If we are going to get up here, we have to go sideways a little bit, maybe come down. Because if it's following this trend line, it's going to sell off. It got to consolidate. And if we're going to get to 70, it's going to be over here sometime, afternoon time. Could this be a double top? Could this be a double top? Let's see.
Order filled.
Wanted to get 54. Wanted to get 54, not 53, but may still be in the uptrend. Just seeing if we getting any relief. Where we at? 50. This came down to what? 51 and bounce. Nah, not trying to get this bounce off of 51. It's not much here. Maybe. You know what? I'm not even trying to play around with this. It bounced off of 51.
Target filled.
I'm just out. I'm not playing around with it. Even though it looks like it's going down. We get a bounce here. It's not going to be good. Look like they're trying to keep sweeping some shorts. Try to get a push past the 64 to 68 possibly. But they will need some orders to push. They need somebody to squeeze. Need somebody to squeeze. Another 15-minute bar and like 1 minute. Over and under this 50, this 4-hour bar. Just over and under this 58. And this may be the move that I miss here. Back up and break above. Okay, 15-minute bar opened up. Question is, which way is it going? That 60 been holding. 62, 61, 62, 66. The 61 to 66 has been a little difficult to get past.
Order filled.
Nope. Is this it? Is it still playing around, or is it gonna go? And I'm at 61.5 this time. I know why I'm buying up here. Don't ask. They just keep squeezing. So I'm on the wrong side. I should have been at 58 and some. So I'm on the wrong side. Definitely on the wrong side. I'm gonna just wait. Just wait. Just so 58.75. I'm not. Keep getting trapped up in here. I don't think we go. We're going up, down, and I'm in at the wrong. Trying to get above this 58. 25 open. But as soon as I get in a little too late. She's just not going on. And this is the front end of the market. Just not going on the front end. Just not going on the front end. So we know this 58. I'm staying out of here. It's just chopping me. Again, over and under. I'm staying out of this right here. Staying out of it. I'm staying out of it. When I say I'm staying out of it, that's when it may go. The 48 tease that 58 right there. Tease, come back, tease. Look like it's getting ready for something. A move either way. It's consolidating tight, over and under. This is just in the middle. Made a high, low, and in the middle. Now it's in the middle. And this may be the move, or it may not, but I'm not playing up here to 64 in this area. I'm not playing this area. Still in this uptrend, trend line bounce. We're gonna have to go sideways for a minute. Not really break highs, we're just going sideways in here. Not breaking new highs. Just gonna wait. Not getting in this. I'm not in here. Nothing to do. Sit on my hands, see where it moves. More consolidating. Still hasn't stayed over 60 yet. Hasn't stayed over 60 yet. But it's holding the top of the range. Holding the top. It's holding up near 60. Hasn't broken it yet, but it's holding up near 60. I mean, hasn't held above it, but price is holding up near it, but it hasn't held above it. Do I see a rollover coming? Do I see a rollover coming? Do I see a rollover coming? Higher, low, rollover coming? a double bottom. Or we have a flat top breakout here. Consolidate over till we can break out here above 62, but then we got 64, so it's nothing to do. We got 64, 68. We got to get through those levels. So we got this channel uptrend, possible flat top breakout, possible rollover. Had a little rollover. Tested 52. So we got the support of 51, 52 level, 52.25, 52.50. So we got some support down here around 51, 52 level. Holding up 50. Holding up 50. Holding up 50, not holding over 60. Keep playing between this 54 and 56. You see, come into this 54, 56. Is it over? Still got 52. We still got 52. 52. 52 here. Running into these little areas down here. This low 64. Right, and this low is 63.50. So been having problems up here in the 62 area, 63 area. What it's going to take to get past these 62 and 63? It's going to take some liquidity that they have to grab to move higher. You keep bouncing off this. May try to break 50. And keep bounce. We bounce off the 51.50. 51.25. I don't want to. At this time, I don't want to buy here either because we done came up here 1, 2, 3, low, high. Now we turning over. When it's a break of 50 and a hold below the break of 50. We break 50 and hold below 50, then I'll look for some shorts lower. Holding a 50, holding a 50 level. 50 and a quarter. Held 50, got a little bounce, 52. Still above VWAP at 48. Is that bounce going to hold? I'm between what, 50 and 54. We haven't broke 50 yet. Here go VWAP 48. Holding 50. Trying to hold 50. It went touch 50. Didn't break. No 50 break. No 50 break and no touch of VWAP. There go the 50 break. And then over 50. Okay, could probably change that to this right here. So far we're still in the range. We're just ranging. Came down, ranged up in this area. Hey, look, it's going, taking. Came to get some stops and bounce. And bounce. Back around 54, 55. May go, but it's just gonna whip and whip and whip. Just when you think it's safe to get in the water for a pop, and it whips around. And it whips around. Now we get above 58.75. And if we do win, look at this. On 1 minute ball, rejection, rejection. It's minor noise if your stop is down here, but my stop is not down here. Are we formulating another downtrend somewhere? Look like the 56 is right for a long. I just can't get with that. Look like the 56 is good. We gotta get above this 58.75. Or get rejected up here. Let's see. High and low. Dipped under 50, so it could be a nice squeeze. Could be a nice squeeze. It's just a squeeze. One-two punch that I've been trying to get all day. Yep. Is it the 1-2 punch I've been trying to get all day? Gonna have some resistance at the 60. $15-minute bar look like it may be able to go, but we still under the 60. We're still in under 61.25. And this may be the move. They dipped down below 50, got some liquidity to possibly push higher. $50 to $60. That was a good 10-point move. I'm gonna see. This was resistance.
Order filled.
Let's see if I'm late. I was long all this time getting shorted. Now let's see if I'm late. Yup. And I'm late. So now my long that I've been taking is the short. I mean, I'm shorting.
Stop filled.
Yeah. Psychology, man. That's how it works on this level. It's wild. It's wild and woolly.
Order filled.
Let's see if I can get the short at this. Well, 62 now. I want it closer to 64. I want it closer to 64. But now I'm shorting the strong move. Now we over 60. We may stay over 60. Trying to get short, quick moves here. Nope. Come on.
Target filled.
Okay, I'm just trying to get some short wins here. Off of 64, that may be the top. 63.75. Just trying to get some wins here, because man, all the time I was looking for this over here, came to get this is the squeeze. This wasn't the squeeze, this wasn't the squeeze. This is the squeeze. You probably test back to 57, 58, 57. Still hasn't tested the high today either. The overnight high. Well, 60, 66. Well, actually, no. This is the high, the 66. That's the intraday high. Rejected 64 again. Okay. Back at 54. Back at 54. Double top. Do we break 50 and test back to 40? We ran up. So far, haven't broken new highs. $50 is VWAP. Break of 50, possibly can go lower. $63.75. We hit $63.75 twice. We hit $63.75 twice. We haven't broken highs yet. Could happen at the end of the day. A late day rally. We can have a late day rally. Over and under 60, and it's 58.75. But we're holding over 50. Got too many lines on here. Let me just start taking some of these off. And we start another channel up. And we start another channel up from here. Okay, may have a high, lower high, breakdown, or channel up. If we start another channel, it would be here. Trying to get a clean channel if we going up. But we stand around 54, 55. Let me just take that off. Stand above 50. Above everything. We stand above 50. Tested 50 a couple of times, but stayed above it. And we come right back down into this 54, 55 range here. Test it. 56, 55. Resistance. Come back up. I'm gonna test this 56.
Order filled.
See if we get a push up here. See if this is the move past 58. No, it's not.
Stop filled.
And it is, but it stopped me out first. I'm not gonna take it again. Not gonna take it again. Waiting for the break of 50. We break 50. I think we hit a double top. May break 50 and go down. This right here might have been that little nip to get it to start to move down. But we gotta break 50. There we go. Gotta break 50. Have to break 50. I'm missing the break.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh. Come on. Stay below, stay below, stay below. Come on, stay below. Stay below VWAP. Stay below VWAP. Let's go. Stay below VWAP. Come on. Stay below VWAP. Come on, baby boy. Come on, stay below VWAP. And here we go, here we go, here we go. Stay below VWAP. Come on. Stay below VWAP. Come on. It made lower highs, which I don't like, but it's gonna go over and under VWAP. It's not the move. I'm in too hot, too low at 47. I should have been in. 47 is support also. So I should have been in break of 50. It's gonna go over.
Stop filled.
Okay, I'm done for the day. Just couldn't get the right moves. Couldn't get break a VWAP. Wanted that low. They just shook me out, got me out, chopped me up. And I'm done. Now the squeeze is going to be on. Now the squeeze is going to be on. Now we get the squeeze. All right, that's it. Done for the day. Not a good day.